What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man, and we giving y'all another update, man. Like I said, behind the scene of when I put the 24s on R&B. Said I'm just doing the series late, cause I've been had the plan. I said every time I was like, well, whenever the time came for me to buy wheels for R&B, I was just gonna surprise the channel and come mount it up, show the process later. But say I got new parts in, so I want to show y'all that what I got in to get it done. Because when they on the car, you really ain't gonna be able to see them like that. So you know, I'm going ahead and show y'all what came in, man. Had next day these things, and stuff didn't work out like I wanted to. Cause you know, today too, everything, man, I supposed to met up. Cause I ain't tell y'all. Well, yes I did, but y'all know I supposed to met up with the guy to switch the wheels over last night, but I didn't. He wasn't able to he didn't have time, so I gotta do that today too to get the right rim, cause that's the big Chevy wheel right there. And then I gotta get up to my bro CJ to get my other tire stuff. So Summit, I got some more of the money. And these right here, I already know what these is. These the hijackers, aka air shocks. Have used them on everything. Now, like I said, it's different ways to do it. You can do it however you want to do it. Me, personally, I went well, this not even the budget route. It's the semi-budget route. Cause I could have went old school and put spacers. I could have put coil spring spacers in there. But I'm really not a fan of those. I did it back in the day because that's what we had. And it does kill your suspension. Like I had some of big meets all them times I used to have wheels back when we were putting the cars up instead of low. And they didn't have the low pro tires for 24s instead of the 25 series tires. They didn't have them then. They finally came out and I switched over. But when I took them spacers out, they kill your suspension, man. They have your coil spring so tight, and they don't allow your coil spring to do what its job is to do, compress and decompress. Cause they got it tight, man. It's a lift knuckle in there. They call them lift knuckle too. You want to do that route though, if that's what your budget allow. If 4 come in a pack, they got the smaller ones and they got the bigger ones. You need the bigger ones, and you can go that route. You can get them from any part store. They call lift knuckles. They usually buy the suspension things like what the U-bolts is and stuff like that. So if you want to, you can go that route. I found out AutoZone, at least one I be going to, don't carry air shocks no more. So you'll have to get them from Summit or somewhere of that nature. Or O'Reilly probably have them. But these are hijackers. If you want them, if you want to use them, here go the part number. They come with everything you need. I'm sure many people done used air shocks before. And the only reason I did this because even when I put the new engine in R&B, I'm not trying to seriously race. I'm not going to ever seriously race that car. And that's why I buy coilovers. I use coilovers to race. Like, people use them to adjust ride height. But really, if I want to do coilovers on all 4 corners, I'm a race. Or unless you just want to, you know, be that way for car show purposes. But, you know, me, I really don't kill. I don't kill, man. I do it for me. I am going to do the disc brakes just because I like the look of it. But my brakes on there work so good. They work better than disc brake. I ain't going to lie to y'all. And all I can do is tell you, it'll take for you to actually ride in the car to see what I mean. but trust me, they work better than disc brakes. Will throw you up out of there. So let me get this. I need my knife. But these coilovers in front, air shocks in back. The back the easy part. It's easy lifting the back. Always have been. Air shocks will always the answer for lifting the back. It's easy. And you can drill and make you a new hole in the rear end if you want your air shock to go up super high. It'll go up so high make the spring fall out. But these are the coilover. This is the complete kit. Let me set y'all down, man. Let me set y'all down right quick. I gotta set y'all down, so I gotta get this stuff out, man. Hardware kit, springs. Hold on, y'all. I'm getting everything out. Alright. Here we go. So y'all see QA1. Now for racing, I don't prefer QA1, honestly. I don't. I mean, they cool. That's what's on the truck. But they've been around a long time too. I mean, I can't say that QA1 been around a long time. It's just like people caught on to the wave later. But they some good shots. But for real deal racing, nah. I'm using no QA1. Viking or AFCOs. You got Mensers too. I like Viking for more streetable applications. AFCOs for if you're going fast. AFCOs are Menser. You're going fast. You're going a little fast, Vikings will get you done, man. Get you some custom valve like I got on Dolo. Like Dolo got Vikings. Meat's gonna have AFCOs on it. The truck got QA1s, but they get the job done. But that's them, man. Single adjustable. Like I said, I wasn't trying to get the highest of the high because I don't need all that. I'm not gonna be adjusting. But they try to lead. If I knew I was gonna do that, I would have got double adjustable. We come with 2 knobs. You can adjust the compression and rebound. This does it all together. So that's them right there, man. We're gonna be able to adjust that ride height, get it way up there, and you know, that's what I got on the front of R&B. But by now y'all seen the stance and stuff. But this is what I end up buying. And I got all this stuff the same week, man. I'm trying to get this job done quick. I'm trying to get it done fast, but you know, sometimes stuff don't go with plan. So then the shocks, and then in these boxes right here is the hardware. It's the hardware. Right here in these boxes and all of that. So you know, the coil spring and all that. People probably wondering what pound spring I got. I think I got the 500 pound for the front, which they're about what you need for a small block. If you got a big block, you're gonna need a different spring rate. So you need to know that stuff. You need to know that stuff, man. Don't just go choosing a shot thinking it'll work. You need to know your spring rate if you want your car to handle right and to support the weight of the engine and the weight of your front end and all of that too. So 500 pound springs, man, they'll get the job done for a small block. You don't need no 750s or 700s, none of that nature. Then on the back, if you're going coilovers on the back with G body like 170, 170 pound springs, mostly adequate enough. If you got speakers and stuff in the trunk, you might need to go 250s. If you got some subs and amps and all that stuff, but if you ain't got nothing in the trunk, 170, adequate enough spring, man. Spring load for the back. So that's just good information for you to have. And yeah, man, that's all that video was right here. Like I said, it's just behind the scenes showing y'all the part, step by step of how I put 24s on the R&B. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna compile a video to putting it all together like literally a how-to video, and so it'll be more formal for everybody. They can look at it. But I'm gonna have that coming later down the line, man, cause I have not seen a good step-by-step video on how to put 24s on a CUTLASS. I'm gonna say a CUTLASS, cause all G body is different. Like, so I'm gonna do that. because mine a good starting point because it's super low in the front. It's super low in the front end, so that's why I'm gonna do that step by step. I'm showing y'all right now. But yeah, that's it for this video, man. Just simple, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.